told you before, I'm back with the W210 AMG. Well, like you can see, I made a video before. I changed the rims, but there's something going on. Come, look. This car is gonna be my bank account. This car is gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros on my bank account, because this is one of the very rare AMGs made all over the world, only in 96 and 97. So, but the change is, I'm gonna show you. No, stay there. Don't come near me because bipolar. The change is, this car, I'm gonna put it away for maybe about 6, 7 or 10 years later. And the change is, I went from this to this. It is a little bit smaller, but come look. It's the SLK 170 drop top, hard top. It is a nice car, only with 157, almost 58,000 kilometers, not miles, because this is Europe. And I bought it from the first owner, just like that one. And there is a lot of good things about this car. I'm gonna open the trunk, so let's go. Not the trunk, the hood. Well, people tell me, did you ever see a clean engine like this one? There's a new battery, everything is clean. Yeah, much things are new. It is a 2-liter, 164 horsepower, just like Lil Tracy. I got horses in the back. It's 164 in this one, and 347 in that one. That's all the good things, but the only thing is this. This is I hate about the car. It is made for ladies only. It is too small. I can't nearly drive it because I hate drive it like this. And the other thing that I hate the most about this car is the ugly color. I hate this color. It's really ugly as fuck. I mean it. This is the most ugly color of the interior of a car. The outside is okay, but the inside it's really shit. Really, I mean it. This is really shit. So if someone watches this video and you want to change the colors, let me know. Hit me up. And this was it for now. So more to come, about more information about SLK 170 from 2001 with low miles. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next time, boss.